Hey guys, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where I share shop advice, tips, things I've learned over the years, mistakes I've made to make things better for you. So let's get to it. So today we're talking about vehicle maintenance, right? You're changing fluids, and one reason I love this tip is it requires no extra effort. This is just kind of a change in practice, kind of a change in the way you normally do things, and it can save you a huge headache if you do it this way. My tip is remove the fill plug first. Why? So you go along and you take your drain plug out and you drain all your fluid out. Great, step one done. Then you go to remove the fill plug and it's stuck, it's seized, it's rounded off. I don't know, you got some issue with it. Now, until you have time to figure that out, you have a vehicle you cannot drive. If you're trying to do just a real quick fluid change, this turned into a big headache. You're gonna be removing the fill plug anyways to refill it, right? It's part of your process. So just take the fill plug out first. Make sure that's all good, that there's no problems, it's not seized or something. Then go ahead and drain your fluid. You're good to go. That's just a little practice change I've kind of incorporated into my vehicle maintenance because it requires zero extra time. You're removing the fill plug anyways. Can just save you a real big headache. So thanks for watching. If you have any tips or tricks, shop tips, things you like to do, leave it in a comment below or make a comment on my Facebook page. Maybe I'll make a video about it and I'll mention you in the comment. In the video. I'll mention you in the video. That'd be super cool. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. But if you and then you try to talk on camera and it's just awkward, and you go to take the fill plug, you know, drain plug the fill plug. So you're doing a transfer case fluid change.